Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a solid credit score with First Premier Bank, full guide step by step clearly. To build a solid credit score with First Premier Bank, start by understanding what a credit score is. A credit score is a 3-digit number that reflects your creditworthiness. It is based on your credit history and indicates how likely you are to repay borrowed money. Next, apply for a credit card with First Premier Bank. Review the options available, including secured and unsecured credit cards. Select a card that suits your financial situation and credit goals. Complete the application process online or at a local branch. Once approved, make sure to manage your credit card responsibly. Set a budget to avoid overspending. Aim to use less than 30% of your credit limit to maintain a healthy utilization ratio. Make your payments on time each month. Consider setting up automatic payments to ensure you never miss a due date. If possible, pay more than the minimum payment to reduce your balance faster. Monitor your credit report regularly for accuracy. You can request a free credit report once a year from each of the 3 major credit bureaus. Dispute any errors you find to protect your credit score. Be patient and stay consistent with your credit card usage and payments. For added credit diversity, consider a small personal loan from First Premier Bank after a few months of responsible credit. This can help improve your credit mix, which factors into your credit score. Avoid opening too many accounts at once, as this can negatively impact your credit score. Stay informed about factors that influence credit scores, such as payment history and credit inquiries. Over time, as you build a positive credit history, your score will improve. Remember, building a solid credit score is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay disciplined and proactive in managing your credit with First Premier Bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.